The Ultimate Penny Loans Reviews tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you need quick financial support, most people get this wrong by applying to multiple lenders without checking legitimacy. The surprising truth about Pennie Loans is that it offers a simple, verified platform for short-term loans with transparent terms and fast approval. First, visit the official Pennie Loans website. You won't believe how many skip reading terms. Carefully check interest rates, repayment schedules, and eligibility requirements to ensure it fits your needs. Next, complete the application. Most people get this wrong by entering inaccurate info. Provide correct personal, income, and banking details for quick approval and smooth processing. Understand repayment terms. The surprising truth is that some borrowers miss deadlines, leading to extra fees. Set reminders to stay on schedule and avoid penalties. Check customer reviews. You won't believe how helpful they are. Verified user experiences provide insights about approval speed, support quality, and transparency. In conclusion, Pennie Loans can take you from zero to pro in short-term borrowing. By reading terms carefully, entering accurate info, tracking repayments, and reviewing feedback, you can access funds responsibly and avoid common pitfalls.